This is my new project, guys. Those flowers, if you guys remember them, they was really beautiful. I thought I lost both of them, but for some reason the other one come back. I just need to let her do her thing, and then some of my flowers here keep getting hate from the, I don't know, I have to do something with them, really do. But I have those begonia flowers, but I have those is doing really nice. I need to find a perfect place for them. That's all I need to do. I thought those shell will help, was going to help me saving them, but they keep falling down, or they're not getting enough water, or stuff happening. I don't know why. Thank you, friends, for watching.